personal reason. So ang first set niya para sa larong ito, ang 5'5 na taga Laguna na si Sheila Cecilio. 5'7", 24 years of age.
Yes, former Adamson Lady Falcon. Very good player, pero good. Yung salon niya, hindi niya na i-pop up yung bola. Great hit there, cross-court hit.
Mga kapamilya, pwede pa rin po tayong tumulong sa ating mga kapamilyang nasalanta ng Typhoon Lawin. As Dawson again, same spot, same cross-court hit. 2 points now for the Phil-Australian. So, dahil chance ball para dito sa Transformers, Jaisen, kay Kutaysong. Ilista mo na. Pag-ibibigay talaga kay Song Kutaysong, a native of Bangkok, Thailand. One of the two great. Jaisen from the back, Kutaysong. Oh, in some way, somehow, Pesebre was able to score last touch by Bro. Pagka-dig doon ni Tabion. Jaisen, the quick again.
So,
that time,
just the set.
Interesting DJs that we have dito po sa Shakey's V-League. Andre Felix ball ng BOC. Pupunta sila kay Alyssa.
Down the line, on the same side, sa zone number 1, Alyssa Valdez opens up her second.
Kutaysong will go to Valdez.
Alam na natin kung saan pupunta yung mga balong mo nun. Alyssa Valdez hitting it down the line on zone number 2.
6, outside hitter. Mandapat. Off of Pesebre. Medyo nainis si Arnie sa kanyang sarili dahil after score. Bureau of Customs. Guerrero, pupunta naman sa gitna. Oh, Song Kutaysong ay nadulas. She's having a hard time getting up. So a slippery spot. She's holding to her tailbone, to her back. Fenella and Nuts. Oh, Joust up top and Valdez wins.
Which is the usual
Set up. Back to Alyssa. Oh, but Hazel May is there with the block.
Hazel May, center coverage and getting
Still for Philippine Coast Guard. Jaisen to Valdez. And go in. That would be, sabi ng ating first referee, Joy De Imos. Malapit yun.
Yun ang good hit. Okay ka na. Nakita mo, naunahan ko lang.
Jaisen, the back set. Oh, and Castañeda will score. On the line.
Alam natin yan na pagka hindi ka kumuha
ng free ball ang Bureau of Customs. Jaisen to Vargas.
Good at Rose Vargas getting clustered points.
Alyssa to the tip. Oh, Mea's there. Oh, at the bagan. Oh. And Mea collides with a teammate. Medyo di maganda ang shot ni Mea.
Shaken off ka doon.
Look at Cecilio is there. To Dawson. Chance. Oh! Nakaputos na si Dawson. Napakita kay Coach Butch.
Miscommunication right there. Dito kay
Jaisen will set to Biera.
Iba na talaga yung magaling na, maswerte pa.
Marami ng armas, malalim tong BOC.
Oh, pati pagsaing at pag-plancha tayo na gumawa.
Oh, and that will be the set and the match. 25-18.
And again, it's the expected result that we were expecting. And Alyssa Valdez taking care of business along with the crew.
Tayo po'y nagbabalik sa SNA sa loob po ng PhilSports Arena sa lungsod ng Pasig. 25-18 in the first set, 25-12, 25-18.